Hi there, this is Jerry Coates. This video is to show you how to embed your Google Documents so that your students can see them within your Canvas pages. So we are on a page here where I have written out the directions. So first of all, you can always just give them a link. But for embedding them, there's a couple of steps. All you have to do is copy and paste. It's just a matter of knowing where to copy and paste everything. So your first step is to make sure that your Google document itself is set to be publicly visible. So I'm going to click Share and see how it says anyone with the link can view. Perfect. The next step is that we're going to copy this code here. Okay, so from this P all the way over to this last P. We're going to highlight it and then we're going to copy it. I hit Control C, but you can also right click and select copy. From here, I'm going to hit the HTML editor. Okay, don't worry about what this looks like. I want mine at the very end, so I'm going to the very end, and this is where I'm going to paste that code. So I need to put my URL for my Google document here where it says put your URL here. Back to my Google document, and I'm going to copy the link. Back to my Canvas page, and I'm going to highlight that and hit paste. Now I can switch back to the rich content editor, and you can see my Google document is there. There's a scroll bar in here, as well as the scroll bar for the Canvas page, so students can see everything that's there. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call or send me an email. But that is how you embed your Google Documents, and you can do that anywhere you have a rich text editor. So you can do that into your pages, into your assignments. You can do that anywhere where you can edit and get to this HTML editor. Thank you. Have a great day.